revamp my entire funnel. Everything here is made by AI and Claude. Now all you have to do is just like literally tell the AI what to do. I would never have done this. We do the problem and the how to fix it, and we show some proof, and then we have like AI voice demo. Can't believe this. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna do something very different. I'm gonna revamp my entire funnel. Basically, just to give you some context, right now my tech guy, my automation and high level guy have made this funnel for me in like matter of hours through wipe coding, wipe funnel in the GoHighLevel studio. We move fast, we take action fast. So it's been 4 days or 3 days right now that we're running traffics into this funnel. We're getting a few purchase, which is good, making sure like this offer is validating. It's a low ticket offer for our real estate niche. I'm getting a few feedback. I was on a phone call with a few people. I haven't even like touched this at all. So this is going to be like my first time. Everything here is made by AI and Claude. And I obviously have the initial vision and idea, but now I'm going to go to each of the detail and try to customize this funnel so it would convert more. Some of it is confusing, so I'm just gonna like go ahead and start doing it. So we have the headline here, which is above the fold. You also get to see the vibe coding element of it. You can see in this top iPhone right now, it look really clean. Technically not the first time. This is probably like second time I just come into the funnel and I add way more testimonial than it is right now. I think the messaging is not too consistent, so I'm gonna change the messaging a bit to make it sounds more like me, because I'm obviously a marketer and a copywriter, so I wanted to convert as much as possible. Now the problem I see on the first get-go with the vibe funnel is that you can't really have a stat. You can't really have a stat right now that I can see saying like how much of this funnel step is convert to the next step, which is the traditional funnel would have that stat. We just don't have it right now. So I'm taking a few notes last night and just show you guys this area. Like, we've been in real estate for 6 years. We used to charge like up to 10K to set this up. This part is overlapping, and I'm just going to remove this part because I read it last night from my mobile phone. So we spent like nearly $600, $200 a day before I actually go ahead and changing a few tweaks here. I still feel like I'm doing it quite blindly, honestly, just because that I don't know the conversion rate of the funnels. What I'm doing right now is still quite blind. AI funnel itself is still new to me and to high level itself. This is still on a beta, so you get to see everything. When after the testimonial, you might be already using our real estate snapshot. Here is the offer stacks. We do have a cap on this offer, so we put it here, and then we have the reverse psychology. I would say like add more CTA along the page while scrolling down. I'm just gonna start to change this to how it works. I'm probably going to Claude right now. And also, I'm going to take inspiration from, I'm going to add some graphics here. I screenshot this and I will ask AI to make a graphics for me. This is just an inspiration that I found on Instagram, like someone else funnel. I'm just going to try to add graphics. So he adding more. So there's definitely adding more CTA now. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it. It's so easy. Now all you have to do is just like literally tell the AI what to do. At this time of recording, high level we have, let me just send you a text from my tech guy. I'm just going to read it out for you. So high level provide a free AI studio completely for free until August 31st, 2026, which is the end of this month as part of the promotional period. So after September 1st, the usage will be depending on your tier, whether you have GoHighLevel AI plan or employee growth or anything like that. Unlimited plan will be built per use token. So kind of like how Claude and ChatGPT do it. Kind of like you would have a tier. Each prompt and each request to update the AI go down with your usage limit. I'm definitely gonna, after September, I'm gonna want, because this is a massive value and massive time saver for our agency. Get clear on this component. So basically what we're offering is that we're offering the snapshots, the ad swipes, and all that stuff. So I need to maybe rewrite how it works and put some graphics on it. All right, so pretty much I give the link to Claude, and it's a JavaScript. The thing that beyond AI is mostly codes and scripts. It's not even a fundamental block, so the AI can't even read through it. So I'm just gonna extract all of the text on this page and I'll just give it to Claude. I'll just take the call recording from the customer, from the people that buy and the people that didn't buy, and just like help change this page a bit. All right, guys, giving this to Claude. They say the testimonial might be a bit too much. Maybe I'll just like start by following Claude's suggestion and cutting out some of the testimonial for sure. I'm just gonna cut this guy and then we can make the section even. We need to have a how it works section. Can you craft me on the how it works section? We're gonna replace like where does this install, how it works, just like have like a 1, 2, 3 step how the system works. Kind of give me instruction in a way that the vibe coder know how to build it. Remember the original offer write this based on the pain points of the conversation we have with real estate agent. Like using AIs these days are so easy, guys. So I'm just like getting in my old funnel. I have someone build it. We're gonna replace this where section with like how it work. We're gonna be replacing this as well. We're gonna be like replacing like the where does this actually work. So make sure the information does get put into this section. Like the offer is that we're gonna help real estate agent generate lead, and the first one is gonna be through meta ad or database activations. And number 2, we're gonna help them set up AI agents that have omni-channel ability, so it can talk through SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebooks, really maximize the follow-up and the speed to lead function. Step 3, we're gonna give them their own high-level account, so have like GoHighLevel logo in it with dashboard that centralize everything, automated and streamline their workflow and their appointment, so they get all of that. We definitely want to mention high level a lot and say high level because this is a lot of people know about this software now. So we're going to be like, all right, now you can copy and paste and create this new section. I'm going to come back here. Based on the reference I'm giving you, like the badge and the text and the title and the icons and stuff. I'm working on this live. If you want to see more video like this, let me know. This is obviously, I think 2 months old. Make sure like the wording has to be right. Because we're not generating lead for them for $47. This is not a done for you offer. The first one is we can call lead generation machine, and then the second one a title that is catchy. The last one is like a free GoHighLevel account and done for you and plug and play template, something like that. Gotta get like the wording have to sound right. It's kind of like a copy. No, we can remove the clarification call out below the card because that's gonna be in the FAQ anyway. If you like visionary and you like a visual creator, this is like perfect. If you like someone, I think most of us, like if we're running our business, we're not technical, this tool is such helpful. It's so helpful. Like you're a creative kind of person. So we're gonna fix this area, and then next one is like the checkout page. See what I can do to optimize it as well. What about the pain section? Should I rewrite it in a bit and make it a little bit more painful or expand it out a bit? So every time I finish, boom, boom, looks super good. I'm happy with this. All I'm doing just copy and paste. This funnel is a low ticket funnel, so meaning that like people will buy like from this, so they would actually pay money, so they become a very qualified prospects. Not even a prospect, it's a client at this stage. You know, if you look at, I'll spend like less than 2 hours building it because my tech guy built all the foundation and I'm just like writing copy on top of it. You know, when you make an offer, you always have an economic, right? What I do is that is there any way we can get one of this YouTube video?
Hey Ingrid, this is Chelsea. I noticed that you recently filled out a form on our website expressing your interest in purchasing a new home.
A little bit.
Thanks for calling. What made you want to give us a call today?
I put in something on my...
Yeah, I'm just gonna put that into the funnel, just purely. Can you help me change this one? We're using our ad swipe, our proven homeowner ad swipe. AI agent will crawl those database and book appointment on your behalf. Yeah, it's just like want to make sure like the offer is kind of clear and attracting the right audience, that's all. If you're thinking how many AI token like taking this is insane, because I use Claude, I know how much like token is take, but this is actually changing funnel. The AI token is like insane. This is just the visual right now. This is probably a hard one for it to do. That's why it takes some time.
Thanks for calling. What made you want to give us a call today?
I put in something on mine just to see.
Dude, that is so good.
Thanks for calling. What made you want to give us a call today?
I put in something on mine just to...
Oh my god, that is just so good. Based on how it works section that I just like let you do, I think we need to rewrite avatar section, which is like the anti-avatar, the why you should not buy, and the FAQ section to be more aligned, because we do have people generating lead in a way. And the FAQ you can add, does this work if I don't have like lead? So if you don't have lead, we'll help you install like with the 47, including a lead system base where we have ad swipes, but you need to have a budget of minimum $25 a day to run meta ad to generate your own lead. And if you're not too technical, our team will be there to help you, something like that. Essentially what it is a full stack acquisition system that is affordable for real estate agent, you know, with real proven result and real template. So we're just adding 3D graphics. See what that look like. Okay. Dude, that is so insane. That's so insane. Dude, this AI agent is so good. This is fun. Like, I feel so productive. Like, the amount of work I could do, like, in a few minutes. I mean, like, it's like an hour now, but it still doesn't feel like an hour. Definitely feel like the offer and the products is a lot more clearer now that I worked on it. Like, I have to spend like, you know, $400-500 before I even fix this page. So I'm just changing it to like a table style, see what that look like. You know, the graphics was resting it on a table. Yeah, that doesn't look good. I like the other one better. But it's just like, no, it's looked too small now. With 400 AUD, it was confusing. And we make like 150 USD back. The whole goal of launching this is that you make your money on the back end. And it's still early stage. If you guys want me to make a full video breakdown on how to like craft offer like this, because you need to map the ICP, the offer, the flow, and the economics. You know, what is your projected upsell, downsell, tripwire, and all that stuff. Because we do have an upsell once someone buy this. I can show you after. But I'm just focusing my energy on the front page right now. If you want to know more, let me know. And I'll probably include the math section, but I'm just get what Claude do first. I'm pretty much changed and like revamped the entire page. What I said, you can see like the problem with AI, right? It's just that it's slow based on the request, honestly. It make the phone. Ooh, this is shiny. I love it. I wish I could just like press like the request way more early. After that, I'm happy. So it's the problem and then a little bit off. So we just to recap, we do the problem and the how to fix it, the solution, how it work. And then we show some proof and then we show the problem. Agent is like running on a treadmill and then we have like AI voice demo. Can't believe this. I wanted to change this to more premium, the graphics, change the writing into premium. No, I think we need to be clear with the don't buy this if you won't feed the machine. Most agents, they have lead source already and they have database. They have a huge amount of database, so they're not necessarily going to be launching meta ad. Once I get that, I'll show you like the funnel. We have like the checkout page. It look like this. Put offer stacks again on the checkout page. I try like 5 times. I mean, I'm gonna try it again and let me know what you guys think. The graphics here is horrible. I don't want this as a graphics. I give it a reference image like 5 times. I'll come back later with it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. Like, do you want to see more like breakdown like this, maybe like a live? I'll be launching a lot more offer just because how easy it is to do it now, and I'll walk you through the process and we're going to be like spending quite a lot and we're going to be showing you what we learn. And it's not just about like vibe coding as well, guys. Like, it's about knowing your ICP, your ideal client profile, knowing the economic of the offer before you even start launching it. The economic is very, very important. Like, how much return you're going to get from this offer, what's the expected cost per lead, and what's the details and all that stuff. You know, that's why I make all this, and we make assets and all that stuff and the deliverable also. So if you want more video like that, just comment below, like the video, because I'm not going to make something that no one is going to be watching. So I'm going to finish this video and we're going to wrap this up.